Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to pick the winner of the FiTCAMX Dashcam, and let's pick them up. But before uh, we pick them up, so I chose the winners, or I chose the entries, and we got 10 entries, but one got disqualified because they did not follow the instruction. Because on the instruction, it clearly states that they need to comment FiTCAMX FG. So one word, no spaces. And what they did is they they commented fit, then space cam space x space fg. So I'm sorry, James, but got um, you got disqualified for this. So we're only having 9 entries with the correct comments. Okay, so let's open up the next tab here, or the next page, and we're going to pick up the winner. Okay, so we got the Wheel of Names website in here. This is the one that we're going to use uh, to pick the winner. Oh, there you go. So let's paste the names of our entries. So again, there's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so I'm gonna shuffle this just to get it more random, basically. But yeah, so let's spin in 3, 2, 1. Who will be the lucky winner of this dash cam? All right, Rene Deventia. Rene Deventia, congratulations. So, if you can send me a message or an email, the link will be on the description below. Again, congratulations, Rene Deventia. De Venetia. I'm sorry, Rene De Venetia. So again, congratulations. Hopefully, you can enjoy this dash cam. And yeah, till next giveaway. So I'm trying to get some more companies to sponsor some giveaways for us. All right. So again, congratulations, Rene de Venetia. And if you can send me a message on my Instagram, or send me an email. Yeah. All right. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.